Hey Inspirators, it's Inspiring Vanessa here, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm currently in the process of editing this video and I realised that I didn't film an intro or an outro. I do apologise, but this is my Comic Con vlog and I've never been to Comic Con before. We were invited, so thank you so much for MCM Comic Con for having me. I had so much fun. So here's a little deep dive into the event if you haven't been before. This was in Excel, London, and it was huge. There were so many people there with such amazing costumes, and I think the highlight of the event for me was the Loki panel, which was fantastic. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's just get straight into it.
Yeah, it's beautiful to see so many people in one room, and I'm just glad that we can finally do this safely, and nice to see you all.
I don't read it, but some of the funniest ones are read to me, there was there was such a terrific and varied response to Loki when it came out this summer. Some of the memes and the GIFs that I saw they really made me laugh, so yeah.
But I wasn't, I'd never been to Comic Con or, gotten dressed up or anything like that. I love Ragnarok. But I guess getting the call was I was actually in a very similar position. I was like 9 months pregnant, and so, yeah, it was quite a shock to get the call.
And then they explained to me, who I was going to be playing with, and what the story was potentially going to be. And I thought, just as an actor, it's such an opportunity, to have such to be joining a team, the Loki squad, and then joining the MCU. And I had no idea, Tom, but I had no idea that Sophia was going to be there, and I wasn't familiar with her work and got to be very intimate in our scene work together. So it's been wild, and I'm very happy to be here.
Well, we're happy to have you here.
There were lots of questions about Loki. What makes Loki Loki? And as you can see, why that question was relevant, because we were going to sort of dig into that with the idea of variants. Classic Loki, Kid Loki, Boastful Loki, Alligator Loki, President Loki, and of course Sylvie. And so they were I was, as it were, drawing a little map of the territory I had investigated, and also the territory I hadn't. And so I think in that respect we talked about how the way he looked, and comic book inspirations from different comic book artists and writers, and practically things that I had been that I had had the experience of going through,